DJI Osmo Action 3 has a blurriness in photos, especially as well as video. On the forum, we have been answered about the issue, and they rest assured that they've given this to the engineers, and the engineers are now well aware of this issue. So they have came back immediately with betaware so all can test. Imagine that. September 8th, when this camera came out, not anyone showed this issue or talked about it. All they did was show the camera, try to represent DJI, and this has been passed on as an issue. Not many people see it or care about it or even well aware of it. So here we are today getting firmware very easily only if asked. On that note, have a great day and hope the DJI Osmo Action 3 is resolved.